Living in a digital world means keeping your information up to date is crucial, especially with your financial institutions like SocialBank. Changing your address with SocialBank is vital for security and to ensure you receive important communications. And luckily, you have a few convenient options. The quickest and often easiest ways online, directly through your SocialBank account. First, log into your SocialBank online banking portal using your secure credentials. Once logged in, navigate to your profile or settings section, typically found in the main menu. Look for an option like update contact information or change address and simply enter your new residential details into the designated fields. After reviewing your new address for accuracy, submit the changes, and you'll usually receive an immediate confirmation. If you prefer an in-person approach, visiting your local SocialBank branch is also a reliable option. Remember to bring a valid form of identification, such as your driver's license or passport, as well as documents verifying your new address, like a utility bill. A SocialBank representative will assist you in filling out the necessary forms to update your information securely. Finally, for those who prefer traditional mail, you can often update your address by sending a written request. This letter should clearly state your full name, old address, new address, account number, and signature. Be sure to send it to the official SocialBank mailing address for account changes, which you can find on their website or your statements. No matter which method you choose, updating your SocialBank address promptly is key to maintaining the security and accuracy of your financial records.